In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a powerful contact form builder Shopify app. Let's start from your Shopify admin. Once you've installed the app, open it and you'll land on the powerful form builder dashboard. This is your main control center. From here, you can see an overview of your forms and quickly jump into different sections. It's a good idea to bookmark this page in your browser so you can come back to it easily whenever you want to manage or create forms. Next, look for the option labeled Forms in the app's navigation. Click on Forms. This is where all of your existing forms will live, such as contact forms, registration forms, or inquiry forms. Even if this is your first time using the app and the list is empty, this is the place where we'll create and manage everything. Now, click on Create New Form. This starts the process of building a new form for your store. You don't have to worry about getting everything perfect the first time. You can always come back and edit your form later. Think about what you want this form to do. Maybe capture general inquiries, support requests, wholesale applications, or event registrations. At this point, you'll see options like Browse Pre-Built Forms or an AI-powered form builder to create from scratch with AI assistance. If you want something quick and ready to go, choose the pre-built forms. If you have a more specific use case and want some help from AI to structure it, choose the AI-powered builder. This can save you time by suggesting fields and layouts based on your needs. When browsing templates, pick the one that best matches your goal, then click Select under that template. At the top of this page, you'll see different tabs for categories of forms, such as contact, registration, or surveys. Explore those tabs to find templates tailored to your use case, which often means less editing and setup later. Once your forms are live and people start using them, you'll want to see the responses. Click on Submissions. This is where you view all the entries your forms have collected. You can review messages, export data, and keep track of all the information customers send through your site. If you're using registration forms and you've enabled Require Account Approval, go to the Customers section. Click on Customers to see users who have registered via your forms and are waiting for approval. This is especially useful for wholesale or B2B stores where you need to manually approve who can access certain prices or content. Next, click on Settings. As the name suggests, this is where you configure general options for the app. Here, you can fine-tune how forms behave, adjust notifications, and set up preferences to match the way your business works. To manage your subscription, click on Pricing Plans. This page lets you see your current plan, compare available options, and upgrade or downgrade based on your needs. If you start small and later need more forms or features, this is where you'll make that change. Finally, click on Contact Us. This section allows you to manage your business information and update your support email within the app. Keeping this information accurate helps ensure that any communication or support requests related to your forms reach the right place. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create, manage, and optimize powerful contact and